Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check Skrill routing number. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top side of the screen, we have the add, transfer, and exchange. Also in the bottom side of the screen, we have the home tab, the card tab, we have the crypto, sports, and the rewards tab in the bottom right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check Skrill routing number. So it is pretty easy, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in just no time. So Skrill basically does not use routing numbers, as it primarily operates online and doesn't have a traditional banking system. However, if you're looking to make a bank transfer to Skrill, you'll need the SWIFT or BIC code for Skrill Limited in London, which is SKRLG B2LMER. So I'll repeat it one more time. SKRLG B2LMER. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.